Well, hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick video of a tire experiment. We have well, I can't find it right now, but we have a nail in one of these tires. It's a Michelin tire on our minivan, my wife's minivan, and has about 62,000 miles on the tires, but as you can see they still have a lot of tread. But I don't like these tires because they've always been very noisy. It's these energy saving tires, I guess. So I bought some new ones, and I'm gonna have them put on. They're gonna be Cooper tires, and I used reviews to see what was the quietest tires, and I'm gonna ride this and use a decibel meter, and then I'm gonna test it with the other ones. So be right back. And what gave me the idea before I start the experiment was my wife had some tires on her Mazda RX-8 back out that were very loud. They were Kumo on these, and I bought Continentals, and these tires ride a lot better than the Kumos, so I did the same thing. They were tires that seemed to ride kind of loud, and looked online to see what people thought would ride the best. So I'm going to try the same thing on the other one. Alright, well, coming up here is a road test with the old tires. I don't know if it's going to work as well because it's one of those windy Corpus Christi days, so you can hear a lot of wind noise, and it's normally not this loud in the van. And hopefully you can even hear me. But here comes some loud road. That was a small stretch of it. Right now all I hear is wind noise. This is a relatively smooth road, and it's about 88 decibels on my decibel meter at 70 miles an hour. Here comes the loud noise. It goes up to 91, 93. So this is definitely a louder road, but it's not even as loud as some of the roads that we drive on. So I am trying to find some tires that are quieter. That's the whole idea here. And not sure if you can hear me because of all the wind, but here's the new tires, Cooper Evolution. Just a tire, but I'll get to the driving in a minute. Here we are driving with the new tires, the Cooper tires, and notice it is staying right around 90, and it's the same road I'm on. We're at the same speed, 70 miles an hour, and yeah, 89, 90, 91. It's 93 every once in a while, and it is just as windy as before, so we're hearing mostly wind noise, a little bit of road noise. But now, as you can see, I have a light for the tire and not the fuel economy. That is, one of them is out. Oh goodness, I can't get to it. Let's see. There we go, tire pressure. So, not sure what happened there when they put the tires on. It was working. When I drove away, it was working. Now it's not. So, got to figure that one out. So, I might make another YouTube video on how to fix a tire pressure monitor system. Or if you want any other content, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make a video on it. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more.